1, 2, 3, 4. Close your eyes. I mean it for a second. Close your eyes. Baby, do your best to concentrate your mind. Fix it upon whatever you like. I'm drunk on a memory back when we were just 17. Holding Lake Michigan with your eyes on me. I had my hands deep in the pockets of my blue jeans. I said you could be my Maryland, I will be your James Dean. Well, I knew that you could fix my soul. I wanna waste a while with you, baby, in the living room. I'm never gonna sleep again. You lovely creature washing over me like rain, slowly draining all the black out of my veins until my eyes shine cold as the morning. I was loved by a woman. I remember summer days driving down to Dallas.
Hey, my name's Jamie. I'm an illustrator. I make work for kids at heart, people that like cute things. And this is my first vlog, and I'm really excited to give this a try. In addition to being an illustrator and running a store online, I used to do conventions back when that was a thing. And I also run a small press called Pink Clover, where I have primarily done charity work through all my anthologies, but I also have done a Kickstarter with it and another for-profit project. I am a student at MICA, or the Maryland Institute College of Art in Baltimore, and I'm a senior there. When I was a freshman, I started my online store actually, and I started selling zines. I made my first enamel pin that summer, and I made my first sale from someone that I met on a train, and she was so nice. We talked for like an hour, and I gave her a business card, and she was my first sale, and she bought I think 9 of my enamel pins for like a work group or something, and that was just the coolest thing, and it's still really cool to me that that happened. In terms of making art and why I do what I do, I have a few philosophies. The main one is make the work you want to see. I used to really struggle with that. In addition to making work that's unique, I just, for a little bit in like mid to late high school, I only made work that like I thought other people wanted to see. And it took me a while, but ever since I started drawing animals, I have had so much more fun, and I have had such a good time just coming up with different and more unique ideas than I did before. When I'm creating anything, whether it is an enamel pen or a patch or a print or just a drawing, what matters most is, does it bring me joy? And will it bring someone else joy? While all art is subjective, I want to make things that at least make me feel happy and have the potential to make someone else feel happy, no matter how cheesy that is. Speaking of my merch, let's go over and see what I got. Alright, so here is my file for a sticker sheet I'm making for my Part Like an Animal thesis series, where we have the bear, crocodile, presents, and beaver, frog, tiger, and duck. I'm looking to have these guys out in about a month, but we'll see depending on shipping time and COVID and all that. I also got some tissue paper that I ordered a while ago, and I think in October from No Issue Co. Their stuff is so cute. You should definitely follow their Instagram. What they do is they sell a variety of packaging materials that are customizable, but you have to order a certain quantity. I think this was $250 minimum, which I ordered. And over here we have my merch table where I just pretty much organize everything so I can set it up ready for orders pretty quickly. In terms of packing orders, I can be pretty particular. I like to have a lot of add-ons because I think it makes it more special, like a postcard, which is fun, has the shop name on it, business card, which I love making and are double-sided, and that along with a sticker that is complimentary as well. And for packaging, I do my craft stickers and all these guys. Now let's go pack another order. This is a Garfield patch called Gorf that I made, and it is one of my favorite things I have ever designed and probably my best seller. And to finish things off, let's just have fun and draw some cats. And that's the end for this video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Feel free to subscribe if you like, and see you next time.